All right, part two of Hey, what you got in there? I'll stop at Joe Street's Auto Repair here in Masontown, West Virginia. Ask Mr. Street, hey, what you got in there? You'll be surprised when we go inside. And there it is. His 1954 Chevy 3/4 ton. It's all original drivetrain and engine. It has the 235 6-cylinder. Sorry, this is an actual working garage, so things are a little tight in here. So he's had this one in about 6 years. Restoring it beautifully. Of course, has the custom wheels and tires. Now, if you came to Mr. Street with a ridiculous number, he'll gladly sell it to you, but otherwise, don't even bother. There's one neat things here. The side-mounted spare tire. So he's doing a beautiful job. He does want everybody to know he does not do this for everybody. I mean, he's a world-class auto repair store, but he does, or garage, but he does not really want to remodel and redo anybody else's vehicles. The seats have been reupholstered. Just a beautiful truck. Say he's lovingly restoring it. On to our next stop on Hey, what you got in there?